Let's demonstrate the installation of sound level meter combined with the outdoor noise monitoring box. Pick up the extension rod. Connect the extension cable to the LEMO socket at the left side of box. Insert the extension rod into the slot. Remove the preamplifier of sound level meter. Then insert the preamplifier into the top of extension rod. Connect the extension cable to the LEMO socket on the top of sound level meter. Pick up the outdoor windscreen and install it to the outside of microphone for protection. If do long-term noise monitoring, please turn on the power bank or mobile power as external power supplier. There's Type-C port at the bottom of the sound level meter. Pull the extension rod to a suitable height. Finally, close the box.